The Backyard Woodshop.
Hi, I'm Tom Ryder with Backyard Woodshop. Today I wanted to share with you guys an experience I had just recently with my Kreg router plate. This one is pre-drilled for a Triton router, and I've got the 3¼ horsepower Triton hanging from it. I've had this plate for about going on 4 years, I believe, and just recently I noticed that it had sagged about 25 thousandths from about just before the outer edge all the way across. So it really wasn't much, but it was enough to mess up my dovetails on my anchor table, because that's where I had this at. So once I figured out I had a sag in the plate, I pulled my Jessam router lift out and dropped it over into my anchor table to kind of double confirm it, and that's exactly what it was. I had perfect dovetails once I did that. So then I dropped the Triton and the plate over into my Kreg table. Started thinking, you know, I really do need to do something about that sag in that plate. So I decided to contact Kreg and just see if they had any remedies for me, what I could do with the plate, because I didn't, you know, I figured after 4 years, you know, I didn't have any warranty or anything. So I sent them an email. They got back to me the next day really fast. I was really surprised how fast the email response was. Gentleman by the name of Josh over there, and he just solved the problem in the first email. Didn't even blink. It was just, I'm sending you a new router plate. He says our plate shouldn't sag at all. So he sent me out a new router plate, and I got it today. Today's January 2nd. I think I sent him the email on I think the 27th, maybe 28th, something like that, of December. So that's pretty fast response. And I put it in, and it's black. It was my old one was blue. Everything's blue, and they've changed these to black. I guess that's the new look of Kreg, which is fine. It works fine. The fit of it, it fits almost as good as the old one did. This one might have a little bit of play in both directions. I guess these newer plates are made out of a different material because they have a different feel than these do. This one just feels, I don't know, even more solid. I don't know how to put it. But I really think Kreg's a great company. They stand behind their products, obviously, because after 4 years, they didn't even hesitate to send me out a new one. They didn't pay me to do this video. They sent this router plate without knowing I have a YouTube channel or anything. I just used my regular name and nothing else. Didn't mention I had a YouTube channel. I just wanted to share with you guys that Kreg's an outstanding company that stands behind all their products, it looks like. I've got a lot of Kreg products, so I'm really glad they do. And the other big thing is everything's made in America. I mean, that's really something you don't hear too often anymore. So if you guys are in between buying some products and Kreg is on the list, that might help you decide that, hey, Kreg would stand behind something that maybe you had for a few years and something happened to it. So I'm just sharing my experience with you. This is just a quick video letting you know what happened. I really appreciate you watching, and until the next time, I see you in the backyard.